Seeing you today so happy and radiant fills my heart with joy. You and Yogin are such a perfect match, and it's clear that you bring out the best in each other.
I've seen Yogin through his highs, this being one of them, and like all of his lows as well. And you've grown so much over the last couple of years, and that's thanks to, you know, knowing Ishani and getting to know her.
Dude, how small is this? Oh, I found it.
Everyone, let's dedicate tonight to Ishani and Yogin. Here's to love, to family, and the beautiful journey that lies in store for the both of you. May your lives together be filled with joy. May your love grow stronger with every passing day. And may you always find comfort and happiness in each other's arms.
And thank you all very much for coming here to give your blessing to this lovely couple, Ishani and Yogin.